Hello everyone. Welcome back to our kitchen faucet channel. Today we have something truly special for you, a kitchen upgrade that not only enhances functionality but also adds a touch of sophistication to your space. We're talking about the GROHE 30,300,000 Minta Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Stick around as we dive into the features and benefits that make this faucet a game changer. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Now, let's jump right in. The GROHE Minta is a sleek and modern single-handle pull-out kitchen faucet with a variety of features that make it both stylish and functional. It has a dual-function spray head with a regular stream for filling pots and a spray for rinsing vegetables or cleaning the sink. The faucet also features GROHE SilkMove technology for smooth, precise handle control and GROHE StarLight technology for easy retraction and docking of the spray head. Here are some of the features and benefits of the GROHE Minta Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. Pull-out spray head with dual spray modes, regular stream and spray. GROHE SilkMove technology for smooth, precise handle control. GROHE StarLight technology for easy retraction and docking of the spray head. Single handle design for easy control of water temperature and flow. Drip-free ceramic disc valve for leak-proof performance. Optional foot control for touchless operation sold separately. Here are the key features of the GROHE 30,300,000 Minta Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. Versatility. Dual-function spray head. Easily switch between a regular stream for filling pots and a powerful spray for rinsing vegetables or cleaning the sink. Pull-out spray head extends to reach every corner of your sink and retracts smoothly with secure docking. Additional features. Single-hole installation for a clean and modern look. Easy to clean with its smooth design and SpeedClean nozzles. Backed by GROHE's lifetime limited warranty. Overall, the GROHE 30,300,000 Minta Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet is a stylish, versatile and durable option for homeowners who are looking for a high-quality kitchen faucet. If you are looking for a top-of-the-line faucet with all the bells and whistles, the Minta is a great choice. However, if you are on a budget or prefer a stronger flow rate, there may be other options that better suit your needs. Here are some additional things to consider before making your decision. Your budget. The Minta is a high-end faucet, so be sure to factor in the cost before making your purchase. Your sink size. Make sure the faucet will fit your sink and countertop. Your water pressure. If you have low water pressure, you may want to choose a faucet with a higher flow rate. Your needs. Consider what features are most important to you in a kitchen faucet. Here's a breakdown of its pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. Pros. Stylish and modern design. Versatile functionality. Convenient features. Durable and reliable. Additional features. Cons. Price. Installation. Ultimately, whether the GROHE 30,300,000 Minta Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet is the right faucet for you depends on your individual needs and budget. If you are interested in purchasing this kitchen faucet, click on the link in the description below the video. Weigh the pros and cons carefully before making a decision. If you are looking for a stylish and functional faucet that will last for years, the Bolden could be a good option. However, if you are on a tight budget or have a small kitchen, you may want to consider a more affordable, compact alternative. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchen Faucet for more reviews and home improvement tips, and leave a comment below if any questions or if you've already tried the Bolden faucet. Until next time, happy kitchen upgrading!